Welcome to JustLogin's Just Forms Configuration Guide. The Forms module is on the Classic interface of your system. Let's switch to Classic by clicking on the area where you see your name and then click on Switch to Classic. Once on the Classic interface, click on eForm. And to configure, go to Form Administration tab. The first step is to go to Form Library subtab. On this page, you will see a list of forms available in your system. You can view a sample of each form by clicking on the icon under Form Preview. To enable the form you require, put a tick beside the name of the form and then click on Enable. Confirm, and you will see that the status has changed. Next, please go to Role Selection subtab. You will see the forms that you have enabled as well as the column displayed below the form. If you want the approving officers list to be displayed at the bottom of the form, please put a tick inside these boxes and then save. To assign the approving officers, click on the plus sign and the workflow will be displayed. Click on the selection icon and a pop-up window will appear with a list of users in your system. Choose the name of the users, and the name that you chose should appear inside this box. Please do the same steps for each level of approval you require. If you only require 2 levels of approval, make sure that you put a tick inside the box under the Display None column. This will ensure that the workflow will be uninterrupted. If you want other users to be notified once the form is either rejected or approved, you can utilize the CC to Others field. Type in the email of the person whom you would like to be notified and indicate when you want this person to be notified, either when the form is approved or rejected, and then click on Save. Note that you have to do the steps previously mentioned for each form that you have enabled. Alternatively, if you want to individually assign different approvers for each user, you can utilize the Setup Approvers subtab. Let's say, for example, there's only one finance officer for all. You can select Everyone. On Update Member field, choose Finance, and then click on the button Update All. A pop-up window will appear. Choose the name of the user, click on Select, and you will see the name assigned to everybody. You can individually assign the other approvers by clicking on the person icon, choose the name, and then select. The name that you chose should appear inside this box. You can then continue assigning for all. Let's now move on to the Reminder Setup subtab. Here you can create reminders if a form is pending approval for a certain number of days. Click on the plus icon and then click on the icon under the Action column adjacent to the approver whom you want to set a reminder for. A pop-up window will appear. Please make sure that the Enable Reminder is ticked. You can also opt to put a tick to CC to Form Admin. Next, indicate when you want the reminder to be sent, based on the number of days that the approval is pending. Scroll down and then click on Submit. You should see the reminder you created on the right side of your screen. You can also create several reminders for a different number of days if you wish to do so. Things to take note of: the reminder can be created for each level of approval you require. You must also do the same steps for each form you have enabled. On Email Password option, this is where you can set a second layer of security by requiring approvers to input their password before approving a form. To enable this, put the tick and then click on Enable. Confirm. You would see that the status has changed. Thank you for watching the first part of Just Forms Configuration Guide. Please watch a second video to continue.